Hello friends, welcome to my channel once again. In this video we will learn how to fix the issue with the start menu. When you click on the start button at the bottom left corner, nothing happens. It only works when you right click on it. So you get this menu when you right click, but when you left click, nothing happens. So in order to fix this, you will have to open PowerShell. So you can either right click on it and open Windows PowerShell with admin. Click yes on user account control, or there is one more way to open PowerShell. You can right click anywhere on the taskbar and click on Task Manager, click on File, click on Run New Task, and simply type PowerShell in this window and put a check in the box that says create this task with administrative privileges and click OK. You can close the task manager. Now simply type a command here which you'll find in the description box. So please don't forget to check the description box. As soon as you right click, it will paste the command automatically. So once you have the command pasted, simply press enter. Okay, that's it. You can close the PowerShell window and simply restart your computer. Okay, our computer has restarted, and now we will check. Okay, our start menu is working when we left click on it. So that's all I wanted to show you in this video. Thank you very much for watching. Please click the like button if you like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. You have a great day. Bye bye.